Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Polar curves can look intimidating, but we will master the shaded area and distance problem quickly by following these official steps. Let's go! First, we find the area of region R by integrating 1/2 times the square of our polar function g of theta from 0 to 2 pi. Use your calculator for this. Next, we find the average distance between curves by integrating the absolute difference of f and g over the interval, then dividing by the total change in theta. Keep going. Finally, locate the maximum distance from the origin by setting the derivative of g to 0 and checking critical points within the given interval. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid rush. Trust given values and check steps carefully.